Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell on so for more news. Ebusian for Felix Apia political zone okasa de ma NPP amayuko na ode ensem bia tudwa afa eye owura Alan Cash asese no kire se eye internal elections e course so e wo NPP amayuko no no anko en favor nti wate no ho akote movement for change afafranto omo tari na yellow eni omo nam kroma na wani kura wo e den colors ni eni amafo kasa sa afafranto nsu baburo na wapa bia kwotena sese anti mo forget no na eye Felix Apia e kire se wonya ne tete se owura Land Cash e ton krofo e se krofo adwe se ma no mo nto aba no enfema vice president Dr. Bawumia na eni so kwa do wanda na so china enya de beba so breaking the eight no NPP for a break with Vice President Dr. Bawumia. Na ochire se Land Cash say no auto celebrities ni bi bekire omo ye celebrities omo support NPP amayoko. Ba omo jini sika o. Omo jini sika di. Enya do me campaign dia ma no. Ono ankasa Land Cash no kwa ogidi se NPP celebrities omo support NPP amayoko no. Enya do beto ama no because omo to man kwa mo ko waste omo time. Enti no car or this kind of no forget it because nya do betimi anwi ni yenti nsama Felix Apia e de etudwa
wo e bi ana omo do any MPP fo bi ana omo do omo do omo man and then omo san do MPP who said there be your political future is done. Alan has no more political future. And then me make his pronouncement to Yatoa. I want you guys to quote me. 2024 about one year kotono. It's three things Alan is going to do. He might withdraw. Say Oshe the way our campaign started. Now Oshe the way Bawumia ni Americana. Obeka say easy be we mama Bawumia to obey withdraw. No, ya one so no to me fight. Yeah, no way plan. No, ya one. Two. So one withdraw. He will go to the election and he will make sure that a coin bia or the best say MPP vote to a baby says he can in the jet training and obession cry or the best are their say vote. But I know so no. The third one, which I know is the sure thing he will do, is he will go to the polls, but he will not get put this thing there. Utie. Alan will go to the polls, he will not get 2% of the vote. Listen to me carefully. And most of the votes will be NDC for be Tiomoka on MPP for. MPP for no be ready catch your dada. I want you guys to mark today's date down. I'm not joking. I want you guys to mark today's vote down. Say, Alan will not get 3%. So only 2% to kura umua. Make kwesi ebeye me wanwa. And I want you guys to go back. Check the history, both NDC and MPP. Why they to me say no free party mo to me in the party and also movement to me binya any amount of vote in Ghana. Alan killed his political career the day he said his own MPP is no action, talk only. Then he goes on the campaign trail, then he's mentioning about one district, one factory. At the end, I will say, Enya Papa. I mean, I declare campaign. I say, Moon, the economy. On one cocazo, ni message, one money. I fed the walk up prono, and I one district, one factory, and the automobile industry. I fed the one who say, why you be. Or time near drew, Mr. Allen. Or time near drew. Now your biggest defeat is awaiting you. I promise you that. Mr. Alan Kwedu Chief, your biggest defeat is yet to come. Now, no amount of celebrity endorsement is going to do anything for you because those celebrities who are taking your money, they will vote against you. Mr. Alan, I want you to hear me clearly. Those same celebrities, they will vote against you. Mark it on any wall. They will vote against you. But don't be do sika. Like in Crawford, do sika, you do, do sika. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Mr. Alan, he be too sicker. You go sit somewhere and you tell us, say, oh, please, no, quiz, nobody can block you. You go sit somewhere and tell us, say, what buying on your share. Then we go campaign, they feed their projects now, buying at the buyer, who were to me a lead the course, no, no, they quite query. And then the campaign. It shows how politically immature Alan is. Politically very, very immature. No, he's not matured politically. Some of us are at social media. We are more politically mature than Alan because he doesn't think of his actions before he does them. And anyone who doesn't think of their actions before they do them, they always do normal regret. Internet affairs no free mono. Grofobika chance had na free mo. Yes, because a free one won ba. Sani edition it trim to no so buy no back say sebe. They are obeying in an say or the home beshishim na brain do aka so Alan one out to us on the cock baby. It justify your inclusion, justify the reason why you should be the flag bearer. You can't even campaign. O campaign in Ayabako. Oh yeah, na beba. Oh yeah, na beba. Oh yeah, and one no campaign message. O campaign message, yeah, no yeah, na beba. But let me descend into the main reason why I started with Alan first. There is a cabal together with the Wounded Lions. Some kind Wounded Lion camp for Munimomo. The directives they have given on Moncroft where Bruchrin say one influence or Moncroft where Ghana betuaba. Na momon to abano emfa maba umia. Said the Ebeya 2028. Omube to me de omo candidate no. Meka mobe Wounded Lion for candidate no aba. And until some of them have started, and I can confirm on authority say obi a me who know through somebody. A friend besides Felix Nede na ekoso. Na me say I don't say and I say papa no say obewo NPP mu na den na nkrofo ne say maye nkoto aba. Na me say o won start na say won start na me sister friend me si enim na say ekoto aba e de maba omi a yentum firifie oni ade na me say o sister na ka san say wo say na me say your plan na o ma din kan ye say omo de saa de no utie e be hunahuna de say obi wo wa ne wo fa bi na ehwe na bruchire ne wo fa fie no te ntine ye ma wo command say nkoto na me na ya na saa de na ye mesere na o force me na me kugina adaka animu a ubehu de ameto abade amanana seriously there be o Francis Chu meaning seriously say me wo fatia bruchire na wo hunahuna me say chenchine amenko me I should not vote for Baumia na Baumia lose na yem for no candidate mbra me kugina boot no ma me wo fa no otegana obi so we are house help we are when you shedding the choice we have made is solid. Okay, the Wounded Lion for camp Roma started the sheda GJ numbers mo when you no Ghana masemu nyina ne se mo nto aba no mfa maba omia na se ba omia ko major election na ya nto aba ama no na se onya bad out na omo atumi agina so aka se Ghana for mpe no enu nti yem form candidate number kai so mo din create aura be say Ghana for nyina pa omo candidate no which is